Whether you're giving your kitchen a full upgrade or just need a quick faucet swap, we've got you covered. After testing all the top models, we bring you our list of 7 best kitchen faucets across all price ranges. From simple designs and budget-friendly choices to hands-free and high-end options, there should be something here for everyone. Welcome to ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Hello and welcome to ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Today we're narrowing our collection down to 7 options that we think offer the most values in their categories. After testing over a dozen faucets from different brands, we have gathered enough data to confidently highlight which ones truly deliver and whether they're worth the money. We evaluate how they're built, how they look, and most importantly, how they feel to use. That means checking out everything from the handle and sprayer to the overall water flow and ease of control. We also put them through poor water pressure conditions to see how they really hold up when things aren't perfect. To keep things fair and consistent, we follow the same process for every single product. That's how our reviews stay focused, unbiased, and helpful. So without any further ado, let's get right to it. Number 1. The Moen Adler Standard Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. If you're not into electronic bells and whistle but still want something that's high-end, the Moen Adler is our top pick. It's got some of the best build quality we've seen, with solid construction and sleek polished details. The sprayer head offers ample movement freedom with its extension and ball joint connection. The minimalist design keeps things simple, saves space, and cuts down on cost, all while looking clean and modern. Better yet, it's super easy to install, which is a no-brainer plus for us DIY folks. Scoring 8 out of 10 for design, 7.4 for usability, and 5 points for low pressure performance, the faucet receives a final rating of 7.4, which takes the top spot for its affordability and impressive value. Number 2. The Delta Lenta Touch 2.0 Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. Our second best pick is the Delta Lenta Touch 2.0 featuring touch control. With its outstanding modern design and high-end build, this faucet adds a sense of sophistication to any kitchen. The Touch 2.0 technology allows you to start and stop the water flow with just a tap on the spout or handle, perfect for when we want to avoid touching the faucet with our messy hands. Its shield spray mode delivers a more focused spraying experience while constraining splatters, and TempSense LED lights lets you know the water temperature by changing its color. The Lenta is available in a variety of finishes to match your decor. Scoring 9.6 out of 10 for design, 8.5 for usability, and 5 points for low pressure performance, the faucet receives a final rating of 8.6, which currently tops out our charts. Number 3. The Moen Arbor MotionSense Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. Our next best pick is the Moen Arbor MotionSense, a classic pull-down faucet that delivers true touchless convenience. With its sleek, contemporary design and premium construction, it brings a touch of elegance to any space. The MotionSense technology uses both presence and movement sensors to control water flow, allowing you to operate it effortlessly without touching the handle. This touchless functionality adds flexibility to everyday tasks and helps maintain a cleaner countertop. Plus, the handy pause button conserves water and offers better control when using the sprayer, reducing splashes and mess. Scoring 9.2 out of 10 for design, 8.6 for usability, and 5 points for low pressure performance, the faucet receives a final rating of 8.5. Number 4. The Delta Essa Touch 2.0 Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. Next up is the Delta Essa Touch 2.0, a faucet that combines premium build quality with a pleasant design. Its standout Touch 2.0 technology lets you activate water flow with a simple touch, reducing the need for contact between the hand and the handle. The integrated temp sense LED changes color to indicate water temperature, adding both style and safety. With its simplest appearance and smart features, this faucet is a perfect blend of form and function for today's kitchens. With 8.8 for design, 8.3 for usability, and 5 points for low pressure, the faucet gets an 8.2 overall rating. Number 5. The WEWE A1001L pull-down kitchen faucet. Now for something that costs a lot less, the WEWE A1001L, one of the most affordable bestsellers, is perfect for a quick and low-cost replacement. Without bells and whistles that add irrelevant values, the faucet's adequate build quality and water functions are its key attractions. Its mounting setup is also one of the cleverest we've seen yet, making the installation quick and effortless. With 7.6 for design, 7.9 for usability, and 6 points for low pressure, the faucet scores a 7.6 overall rating. Number 6. The Kraus Bolden Commercial Style Kitchen Faucet. The Kraus Bolden Commercial Style is a standout mid-range option that goes for around $150. It delivers industrial-grade durability and strong water pressure, making it a reliable workhorse in any kitchen. The flexible spring neck and extending sprayer head provide excellent maneuverability, giving you more freedom and control around the sink. Also, the faucet is easy to install, which we always appreciate. We give the faucet 8.7 for design, 7.2 for usability, and 7 points for low pressure, resulting in its overall rating of 7.8. Number 7. The Fapully Commercial Kitchen Faucet. The Fapully Commercial Kitchen Faucet brings a rugged industrial look to the kitchen with its dual outlet design and reliable flow even under low water pressure. It features both a flexible spring sprayer for dynamic use and a standard spout that accommodates filters or dishwashers. While it's mostly stainless steel, the build feels modest, especially with its stiff swiveling and a body that gets hot during use. In all fairness, it's best for casual or budget-focused setups. We give the faucet 6.8 for design, 6.4 for usability, and 10 points for low pressure, resulting in its overall rating of 6.9. And that wraps up our topics for the best kitchen faucets. If you're curious for more details on any of these choices, search for ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet Series to check out our full reviews. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing or even tossing a small donation our way to support our work. Buying from the link below will also help support us with a small commission. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.